So we're gonna do a leg raise today. So the idea of the leg raise is to work the lower core here. So most people do it wrong. So let's demonstrate doing it wrong. Let's see if we can do it. So what you're trying to do is just bring up your legs as high as possible and then slow on the way back down. And you can see right now that the back is arching a lot here. So everything we do, we want to have the ribs stacked on top of the hips. So let's start by taking a huge breath. Exhale really hard. Hard, hard, hard. Good. So now the back is squeezed tight against the ground. The ribs are stacked on top of the hips, still holding that kind of pressure. What you're going to try to do is breathe in and out through here and not the chest. Yeah. I'll take a couple of breaths. That's better. Good. So now keeping these ribs down, try to bring up your legs as high as you can. Good. And let's keep them bent a little bit more. Good. More, 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 more. Good. Why we keep it bent is because this is a little bit easier right now. And then you're only going to go as low as possible while you can maintain this tight against the ground. So let's slowly lower, slowly, and then right back up. So that's as far as you can go right now. And exhale this time as you're going down. Take a big breath. Exhale hard. Keep those ribs there. Back up. Good. And bend this even more. So it's a lever system. So the longer we stick out our legs, the harder it makes it. So now try keeping those ribs down. There, and back up. And again, if we make it even easier, we'll bend them even more. And then now, there, and then back up. One more, see if we can get it all the way to the ground. Keep those ribs down, keep those ribs down. Good. Hold it for a second, hold it. You can feel these guys fire up, and then bring it all the way back up. So that would be a leg raise, a proper leg raise. So until you can keep this all the way on the ground, that's when you can straighten the legs if you need more effort, and then make it harder. And you can see right now they're trying to lift off the ground. Yeah. All right. So that's a leg raise.